everyone! Did you guys know that you can make money on YouTube without even having to show your face? Well, this is something that is completely possible, and you might be wondering, well, how does this exactly work? I have some examples of channels that are doing this right now, and my first example is a channel called Practical Psychology, and they make faceless YouTube videos about psychology, and they get over 800,000 views every month. My next channel I have for you guys is a channel called Philosophies for Life, and they make videos about ancient philosophers, again, without even having to show their face in these videos, and they get nearly 1 million views per month. The last example channel I have for you guys is a channel called Young Entrepreneurs Forum, and they upload business idea videos, and they get 400,000 views every month. Now, if we take these three channels and we get the view count average between all of these channels, they get an average of 700,000 views per month, all without having to show their faces or presenting themselves in front of a camera, or you don't even have to buy a camera depending on what type of faceless channel you are making. Now, if we combine these channels and see how much they make per 1,000 views, which is the cost per impressions, this would be $10 from ad revenue. And if we do the math and add this all together, this would be making $7,000 per month. The Practical Psychology channel also is selling courses along with making YouTube videos, so they are making well over that $7,000 a month. Now, I gave you three examples of channels that are doing this, and this is a psychology channel, a philosophical channel, and a business channel. And the niches are going to be the topics in which the channels are about. Now, you might be thinking, which niche within my channel should I choose? Well, I of course recommending a popular niche that you know has worked before. Some of the top niches I have for you guys is anything to do with health, well, happiness, and relationships. And you could relate any of those three channels that I just named into a sub-niche into the popular niches that I just named. Now, if you're not familiar with any of these channels, that's okay. I'm going to talk about how these channels make videos if they aren't getting in front of a camera and speaking. Is they first find a subject on which they want to make the video about, and then they will write a script, and then they will do a voiceover reading this script, and then they will use a whiteboard animation software to generate a video, and then they will simply put this voiceover over the video they have created, and boom, video made. So how can we find video ideas for our own channel? So I recommend searching on YouTube to see which videos are doing good within your niche. Now, when you search on YouTube, you can actually sort by most popular and see which channels are really doing good within your niche. And also be sure to take note of their most popular uploads. And then what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna simply study this and write it down. And then if you wanna go even further into getting video ideas, you can use a software such as vidIQ. And then you can search your niche and see which keywords are higher in rank and what has a high search volume within your niche. And then you're gonna write these ideas down as well. Now, in order to make a channel, you wanna make sure that there's a market for ideas within your niche. So I would say to make sure you have around 30 video ideas to start your channel out. Now that you have your list of 30 video ideas, it is time to make these videos happen. And now this might seem like a scary step, but trust me, we're gonna walk through everything. And the good news for you guys, it's really not that hard. The first step to creating your videos and making your ideas come to life is creating a script. Now, what you can do is simply open up Google Docs, and then in another tab, simply open Google. Then you're going to search Google for the video idea that you have. Then you're going to go through different articles or maybe even videos that relate to your idea for a video that you have, and you're gonna make note of the main points that people talk about. And then you can take these ideas and jot them down and then expand these ideas in your own terms. Now, I recommend making your scripts around 2,000 words each. This will ensure that your video is at least 10 minutes long, which is a good length, but don't worry, it's okay if some of your videos turn out to be shorter or even longer. I would say just take the amount of time it needs you to explain your topic thoroughly, and well, value can be easily transferred into education and entertainment value. Don't forget that. this. Now you might be thinking, oh, I don't want to take the time and write these scripts, Kayla. Like, I just don't want to do it. Well, guess what? There's a lazier way to go. You can hire somebody to write these scripts for you if you're interested in doing something like that. And this could just be simply if you don't have the time to write the scripts yourself, you can hire somebody on places such as Upwork or Fiverr. And this can cost anywhere from $10 to $30 for people to write these scripts for you. And then I would always make sure to run your scripts through a site called Copyscape, as this will make sure that no copyright infringement is going on within your scripts and you're not copying anybody. And this also just ensures that your scripts are just completely unique. Now it is time to record your voiceover for your video now that you have this script created and generated. Now, if you don't have a mic, don't worry. You can even use the voice recording app on your phone. Or if you want a good starter mic, I suggest a microphone such as the Blue Yeti Nano, and you can just plug this into your computer and record this way. And if you're doing this, I suggest getting a free software called Audacity for recording these voiceovers. And guess what? It's okay if you make mistakes, because on Audacity, you can easily edit them out. And then again, if you do not want to do the voiceovers yourself with your own voice, or you just don't have the time to do so, you can hire somebody on Upwork or Fiverr as well. And this can cost anywhere from $10 to $15. Now, the next step is going to be using the whiteboard animation software to actually create the visual video. You can use a software called VideoScribe to do this. Now, when you get on VideoScribe, you can drag and drop the audio that you have recorded. And then you can also drag and drop different elements into the video that you're creating, such as text or images. I also recommend changing what is on the screen every 6 to 10 seconds, as this will ensure that your video is keeping people's attention. Nobody wants to stare at the same picture for over a minute, let's say. And also, if you are using music, make sure that the music is pretty quiet, as you don't want it to overpower your voice or take away from the information that you are talking about. And then if you want to hire somebody to create these whiteboard videos for you as well, you can again go back on Upwork or Fiverr, and this can cost anywhere from $25 to $40 to do this. And now, ta-da, we have our first video. Yay! Now, we're not ready to upload this video quite yet. We need to create something called a thumbnail. Now, the thumbnail makes sure that people get enticed to click on your video. You can use online websites such as Snappa or Canva to create your own thumbnails. And I recommend doing some research on thumbnails within your niche and see which thumbnails have gotten higher views and kind of model your thumbnails after these thumbnails. Now, I'm not saying to copy these channels directly, but simply take inspiration off of what has worked. And then if you are using text within your thumbnails, make sure to keep the text to a minimum and make it very big and easy to read. A little tip to make sure that your thumbnails are easy to read is to make sure that they look good and legible at a smaller setting, as your videos will be on different platforms of YouTube, such as on computers, on big TVs, and even on small phones. So you want to make sure those people on the phones can read your thumbnails. And I recommend within your thumbnails to have one primary element that stands out. Now, this could be a person or a picture, and then I would make sure to not go over 3 primary elements, as this can get cluttered and crowded. Bright colors and high contrast are good within thumbnails as well. And then circles and arrows can also help get some clicks and views. Okay, now we are ready to upload our video. Now, what you're gonna do is you're going to go to YouTube and hit the upload button, and then you are going to add the thumbnail that you have created and upload the video that you have made. And then you will fill out the rest of the information, such as a title, a description. And then for your title, I would make sure to look at other videos within the topic of the video that you have made and see which titles have done well. And this can get you some inspiration on what to title your own video. And then you can even include a keyword from vidIQ, as we talked about earlier. But I would always make sure to focus on what people are going to want to click on. And then for your description, I recommend writing about a paragraph or 2 just describing what the video is really going to be about. And then make sure to include some of these keywords, but write them in a natural way that makes sense. And then within your description, you can also put links to other videos within your channel so people can easily access these videos that you've made. And then when it comes to tags, you're going to want to put keywords that relate to the video that you have made, of course. You can use the Social Blade Chrome extension to see what keywords other people are using and what is trending. And then vidIQ can also help generate different tags as well. And then the exciting part, we simply hit publish and our video is out there. Now, how should we promote our videos? Now, the number one promotion that will truly help you get views is simply just letting YouTube do this for us. Now, you do this by optimizing your videos. And what I mean is to upload under a single niche. And to really test out your channel, you're gonna upload around 33 videos. And then once you have these 33 videos uploaded, you will analyze the analytics of these videos and then apply the knowledge that you have into the next batch of videos that you are going to make. And then repeat. And if you do have other social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can promote your YouTube channel videos this way as well. And then a tip to doing this is I would make sure you're promoting these videos to the right audiences, such as creating a TikTok account under the same niche as your YouTube channel, and then promoting your YouTube videos this way, because you want to make sure that you're appealing to the right audience. Now let's talk about how we actually make money by doing this. We learned how to make the videos, get views on these videos, but how do we actually make the money from these videos? Well, you will start making money once you have 4,000 hours of watch time and once you hit 1,000 subscribers on your channel. And this is why views are important when making money on YouTube, because then you get the ability to join something called the YouTube Partner Program. And what this does is YouTube will start putting ads on your videos. And then once a viewer watches these ads on your channel, you will get some money for simply this. So if your videos are at least 8 minutes long, then we have more space for more ads, which means making more money. And then I also recommend signing up for any affiliate programs within your niche. And then you can put these links in your description of your videos and people can click on these links and then buy these products, and then you can get a cut of this money as well. I recommend checking out digistore24.com or clickbank.com as they have a ton of different affiliate links that you guys can get. And let me tell you, you can actually make more by doing this step than actually getting money from ad revenue, which is pretty exciting. And then you could even make your own course to sell and then promote this link in your description of your video. And the best part is your course can be actually just a compilation of your different whiteboard videos, and you still don't even have to show your face. My brother actually has a channel called Make Money Matt, and he has a tube mastery and monetization course that he sells as well. If you guys are interested to check that out, you can even get an affiliate link for his course. Now, how often should you upload videos? Well, I recommend choosing a very regular schedule. So basically, you just want to be making sure that you are uploading videos consistently. And it is possible to grow your channels with any of these schedules, whether that be a video every day, 3 videos a week, or just 1 video a week. But make sure to pick a schedule that you will be able to keep in the long run. So say that you choose to upload 1 video every day. Will you be able to keep up with this in a few months or so? So this is stuff that you have to take into account. For example, it is better to upload 10 videos once a week and do this consistently rather than uploading 10 consistent videos and then sitting with your channel and not uploading anything for the next few weeks or so. So just consistency is key, and I always say this. Now, how long will it take to actually start making money on YouTube? Well, there are a lot of factors that this actually depends on. I like to always keep in mind that a lot of the top channels right now on YouTube have taken hundreds of videos before they actually hit it very big. And I'm not saying this to discourage you guys. Rather, this is me trying to inspire you guys, as I don't want you to give up after posting just 10 videos. You have to make sure that you give your channel a fair run. So the best technique that I have found is to upload 33 videos, analyze and optimize these videos, and then post your next batch of 33 videos. And this is a really good strategy because then you are seeing yourself what is working and what can you keep doing and what shouldn't you do in the future. such as if you notice your intros are too long and you see that people lose attention in the beginning of your videos, then this could be something to take into account. Hey, maybe I should have shorter intros. And then, like I said before, you can actually start making money on your channel before YouTube actually puts ads on your channels by selling stuff in the links of your videos. And this could be your own course or it could be affiliate links. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys will grow your channels the proper way. So it is always important to make sure that we are growing our channels in a way that makes sense and in a way that is going to actually work. I hope you guys learned something within this video and you found some information that you can take with you guys. Now, if you want to learn how to potentially make money on YouTube without actually making videos, click on this free course right here, as it'll go over 4 tips on exactly how to really do this. See you guys there.